Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore TQQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February 2025, our system has ranked TQQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.91. Now let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a loss of 25.74%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.92% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated at the lower end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, which may typically present a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $56.36 is breached, it will initially signal a stronger rate of decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 27.02% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -31.37% to -7.11%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 22.4%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 17.32% and 101.14% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price between $70.31 and $120.54. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for TQQQ ETF after gaining 2.23%. The TQQQ ETF price gained 2.23% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, rising from $58.62 to $59.93. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 9.11%, with a day low at $56.09 and a day high of $61.20. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 3.71% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 18 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 114 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $6.81 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $93.79, while the lowest price was $48.80. Currently, the price is 36.1%, or $33.86 below the 52-week high, and 63.19%, or $102.86, below the all-time high on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price reached $162.79. Recent analysis from JP Morgan suggests that the ongoing correction in U.S. equity markets may soon come to an end, particularly if exchange-traded funds like TQQQ continue to attract significant inflows. This optimism stems from strong investor sentiment, which could lead to a rebound in stock prices in the short term. Technical analysis indicates that TQQQ may be poised for potential breakout opportunities, especially given the recent all-time highs in the Nasdaq. However, despite this positive outlook, some analysts advise caution due to high valuation risks and the volatility reflected by the VIX index, which could impact TQQQ's performance. The ETF also recently celebrated its 15th anniversary, boasting over $25 billion in assets, an indication of its solid position in the market. Yet, concerns remain regarding extreme valuation and volatility that could create significant risks for leveraged products like TQQQ. Looking ahead, while TQQQ offers the potential for substantial short-term gains, investors should remain vigilant about the inherent risks and market fluctuations. The combination of strong economic fundamentals and investor optimism may facilitate growth, but any shift in sentiment could lead to sharp reversals affecting its long-term trajectory. As such, a balanced approach to investing in TQQQ is crucial, considering both growth potential and associated risks. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. The TQQQ ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the levels at $60.88 and $69.90. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 31st, 2025, and so far it has risen 4.59%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 20 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. TQQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $59.81, a level that may present a buying opportunity. An upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $5.11 between its high and low, representing a change of 9.11%. In the past week, the ETF has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 7.26%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for TQQQ is at $61.13. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the exchange-traded fund, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ faces its first support level at $59.81. Should this support level remain intact, it might represent a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and a stop loss has not been established. Is TQQQ ETF a good investment? Currently, TQQQ exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe that it will likely underperform in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of April, we anticipate TQQQ will open lower by 86 cents, starting at $59.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.